Hello all. So in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to interface GSM, Global System Module. So here in this tutorial I will use SIM800C module. GSM module name is SIM800C, and this is the code I already written here. So I will explain the code and then we'll interface the hardware part. So this GSM device we can use to send some notification to the concerned person, and you can add this GSM device with other module, and you can make some mini project or major project based on that. So GSM is very important device, so we need to learn it. For this we need to use UART protocol. Okay, so GSM we are going to interface with the Arduino Uno using UART protocol. Okay, same like whatever we are doing on the serial monitor. So this is the small code, and this is the serial.begin 9600 is nothing but we are setting the baud rate because we are going to interface it by using UART protocol. So for UART protocol we need to set the baud rate. After that, this line serial.print this will start that this one. Okay, this is the delay 1 second we need to give. 80 plus CMGF we need to set into the text mode. Okay, so this is the command 80 plus CMGF equals to 1 is to set into the command mode. Okay, and this one after 1 second delay, then again 80 plus CMGS equals to number we need to pass. Here we have to pass the number. Okay, to which number we want to send the message, that number we need to pass. 10 numbers you need to pass. Okay, then after 1 second delay, here what string you want to send, and after this 1 second delay, what we are doing here, we are just this is the information I am passing. Storage battery is less than 10 volt, like this some string I am passing. Okay, or else if you want we can change the string, any string if you want we can change it. Suppose we are writing interfacing GSM with Arduino, interfacing GSM with Arduino. Okay, this is our string. So this string will get, and after 1 second delay we are just making end of this statement, Control Z. Okay, this is the ASCII value of this one. So it is in the void set of function. So what will happen when you will upload the code, it will execute one time. Okay, if you put in the void loop function, it will execute infinite time, so we will get more number of message. So for demo purpose only, we are just one time only. After pressing the reset button, again it will send one message. Okay, so after this I will explain you how to interface the code hardware. So this is our GSM module, and here I inserted one SIM. How you can insert the SIM? Just small SIM if you are getting, means you need to make it like this by using some base of the SIM. Okay, then you need to insert it like this. Okay, inserted like this, and here see the signal pin and power switch. Okay, so this LEDs will give the indication. This is the power jack. Here we need to give the 12 volt, either DC we need to provide it, and this is the antenna. Okay, and we have some pins here that we need to connect it. So RX of this GSM we need to connect with the TX of Arduino Uno. TX of this GSM pin we need to connect with the Arduino Uno RX pin, and ground we need to make it common. Okay, if you are using different power supply. So first thing we need to check it whether the network is connected or not. So by using two way we can do it. We need to plug in, we need to give 12 volt 1 amp. Okay, when it is powered means this power LED will blink, and see the signal LED is blinking, but the rate of this LED blinking rate is very high. The moment when it will get connected, it will become slow. Now see, it is connected. Okay, and other thing is that by if you same number you just call, and if ringing sound you are getting means it is connected. By observing this LED blinking rate, I can tell it is already connected with the network. Otherwise you can call and this ringing LED will also blink. Okay, so like this we need to check it whether the GSM module is connected with the internet or not. Then we need to give the connection with the Arduino Uno. Okay, we need to give the connection between Arduino Uno. Okay, so what we have to do it here, we need to make a ground common. Okay, and 2 will be the RxTX. Okay, so this this one TX, orange wire is the TX, so we need to connect it with the RX of the GSM, and yellow wire, see it, yellow wire is your RX, so that we need to connect with the TX of the GSM, and ground we need to make it common because separate power supply we are using, so we need to make it ground as a common. Okay, so now connection part is over. Okay, so now I need to upload the code, and I need to give the number. In that number only I will get message. Okay, so I uploaded the code actually by changing the number. Okay, so now what will happen, if I will press the reset switch, the code will start from the beginning, and it should send some message to that particular number. So at that particular number I given here, connection is here only. Now I am pressing the reset switch. After some delay it will send message sending the same string interfacing GSM with Arduino. See, I got one message interfacing GSM with Arduino. If you want, I will open this message. Okay, so this is our message. That's